welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole here with Mom's Door Decor. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Easter wreath using a 16-inch evergreen form, usually used at Christmas time. And we're going to add in this Easter bunny. Isn't he cute? Love him. And then we're going to add in some Easter eggs. These I got at Craft Outlet. This I got at Craft Outlet. So we're going to do 3 Easter eggs, the big giant jumbo ones. We're going to do some smaller iridescent colored ones. And then we're going to do the smaller ones with the glitter. And they come in all different colors here. And then we're going to put little carrots in here for the little rabbit to eat. So he has a snack. And what else? Oh, we're going to put some ribbon. We've got this one that has the Easter eggs on it. We have some carrots. We have plain green. And we have some orange. And I have a couple of other ones too that we might use. I have these Easter bunnies and I have this orange polka dot. So I'm going to see as we go how it's going to turn out.